Shalom. 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 Yeah. Youngblood got neutered. And so today, this is a new one that I've seen in the stores. It's Four Loko. Go crazy. But jungle juice. I like it because it kind of looks like Jurassic Park, you know, like in the spelling, the letters are the same, but it's jungle juice. So I'm hoping it's a fruit punchy type taste, but tastes good. It's 13.9% alcohol. Container says contains alcohol, contains alcohol, contains alcohol 4 times around the top, in case you didn't know the first time. Alcohol facts. Wow, actually, majority of the bottles don't have these. Serving size, 5 food ounces. What the fuck? And this is at least 24 fluid ounces. Where the fuck is it saying how many fluid ounces this shit is? Well, it says it at the bottom. We'll just say it's 24 fluid ounces. So you're not supposed to drink like a fifth of this. Government warning. According to Surgeon General, women should not drink alcoholic beverages during pregnancy because of risk of birth defect. 2. Consumption of alcoholic beverages impairs your ability to drive a car or operate machinery and may cause health problems. Drink. Ford Brewing Company. Alright, dude. Oh. Latrobe PA. 4loco.com. Hashtag at 4loco. WeID. But yeah. Premium malt beverage with artificial flavoring. Certified colors. Certified colors. Always certified in your head. And artificial sweeteners. Alright, we'll give this one a crock. There we go. Nice good crack. Now it looks like fruit punch. It smells like fruit punch. Like a seltzer fruit punch. But I'm sure it's gonna have a kick. Yeah. I didn't get a good taste. It tastes like a Four Loko. This one's really not that good. Really not. It tastes like how Four Loko should expect to be tasted. No, it's really not that good. I mean, if you're buying this to get fucked up and suffer, get drunk and suffer, this is up your alley. It'll be a 10 out of 10. But no, I would say this is Four Lokos. I don't remember what I rated the Sour Patch one kid, but from what I remember, it was good. I gotta give this one a 2. This one's a 2. Yeah, a 2. Well, thanks for tuning in this episode of Ben Reviews Alcohol. Thank you, and see you later. Chia. I don't even think I said shalom at the beginning. I should have. Chia. What if my face just ended up like this? Stroke? I gotta Google pictures of people that had a stroke. No. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Chia. Peace out.